How's it, Aloha gang? We're over here at City Mill in the Paint Center right now, hanging out with local muralist Kaelyn Okuhata. And Kaelyn, you've been a muralist for how long?
It all started, I had my first solo show at Kainoa space in Chinatown. The owner of Beer Lab came into the show, saw my style, and really wanted to see a mural in his new space. And from there, I've just had people come and watch me paint. All these murals pop up in the community. It's been a dream of mine.
Is it intimidating? As a muralist, that's why your canvas is huge.
It's actually really freeing to have that scale of a canvas. Your ideas can, spread across the entire building. City Mill is the first place I came to get my paint for the first time for my mural. They gave me a lot of great advice as well about, what type of paint I should select for exterior versus interior, the different colors and how they'll be affected by the weather and all the different elements. They just asked me, what is all this paint for? This sounds exciting. And then I would show them my mural plan and they were just really excited to help me out.
What's good about Benjamin Moore paint?
The variety of colors. Some colors on here I didn't even think about, but when I saw the wall for the first time, I was like, wow, really anything is possible. Different color families, different shades and tones. The variety in general is pretty spectacular. When I'm designing, I usually freehand draw it and then I put it into Photoshop or Illustrator to color. So when you're selecting colors digitally, you pretty much have any color on the spectrum. So just being able to come here and match it to something that is actually an existing color within their palette is great to do and very easy to do.
Are we going to do some paint matching today?
Yes, I'm going to give you a little test. So this is, I call these mock-ups. So this is what the wall will look like, the next mural that we're painting. Let's go with Kalo, this Kalo block. I want you to try and find the closest matching color to this Kalo block.
To which one we're going?
This one right here.
We're going for this one right over here.
The background color.
Okay, am I crazy? It's giving me matcha vibes. Are you getting kind of like matcha green tea-ish from that? Wow, look at these color names. Lizard green, basil green, iguana green.
Yep.
I think this one, rosemary green.
Okay, yeah, when
She's like, okay, that's not right.
It's close. And when you select a color, obviously it comes in this color family. You can see there's brighter colors and then it kind of drops down into these earth tones. I would have chosen oregano.
That is way closer.
And it's a little bit closer, you can see it's a little more earthy.
This is why I don't do murals.
Place it, on the wall and see, what's the closest match.
Now that we've got this ready to go, let's go paint match.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go. All right, Kaelyn, we got the color that we need for this mural. What's next?
So now we're gonna input it into the system, and then you're gonna go over to this computer.
So this is basically like the digital log of the wall over there.
Yes. So it'll find the color you want, and then I'm gonna pick up the base chord. We're gonna open it up to the before.
But we're gonna end up with oregano.
So now we're gonna put it in this machine.
Oh.
And we're gonna go to the mixer.
Let's do it.
All right.
So this is like the magic machine right here.
Yeah.
After a couple of minutes, this is what we're working with.
Yes, so we'll see how close we got.
Whoa.
Actually, this paint looks closer to the swatch that we picked, so yeah.
If people come in and maybe City Mill Paint Center doesn't have the exact color, they can actually make it for you.
Yes, so you can just bring in, I believe it's a quarter-sized piece of the paint, and then they'll put it into the machine, and it actually finds the right color. And I've matched before, and it's pretty exact.
Kaelyn, what advice do you have to future artists?
I would just say don't be afraid, take the risk, say yes. I think it's just so special to live in the islands and have, everyone be connected.